I am driving the car now. I figure what's going on. The car is on NC lock theft, which means so if somebody's trying to steal your car with your keys, it won't start. So you have to lock all your doors, get out the car, put your key in the door like you about to unlock the car. Leave the key in the door lock for 10 seconds. Then unlock the car. Go in the car, turn the key in the ignition, and then it will start. Now I am on my way home. Thank you, Jesus. It took 1 hour for me to figure this out, and I went online to figure it out. And I'm always going through this every time. Alright, good luck, guys. Bye.